I went through the bike. I thought it was my fork oil. I thought it was my headset. Wheel spokes, even the backup rear suspension. But it wasn't any of that, you know. Thought it was my weight distribution, the flag, all that. And I actually went through it numerous times trying to fix this wheel wobble, because I noticed that as soon as a little bit after I changed to these Michelin Commander 3s. Now, is it the Commander 3's fault? I want to say, from what I found out, I think it's more of the shop that mounted them, because they didn't get it to seat right. And I noticed the line, I think they're made to use, you know, so the person that installs the tire can tell that it's seated properly. And because I've ridden over, you know, almost 20,000 kilometers, I think it just set in already. Because I tried reseating him, I tried breaking the bead and aired them up, you know, putting a nice lube of dishwashing detergent on it, soap on it, and I did that like 3 times, and I thought I'm gonna tear up the inner tube, so I stopped, and it looked the same. I mean, it might have improved a little. By doing that, I wanted to make sure I could seat them to the best that I can. I thought I was gonna get them perfectly centered, and it wasn't happening. I aired them up to about over 60, and I thought they were gonna blow up. So what did I do next? I brought out the grinder and I started to grind it down to get the roundness back. So I thought, you know what, what's there to lose? So I figured if I didn't do it, the tire was gonna wear prematurely. Got them rounded out, and I was surprised that, again, the shop that mounted them left the old weight on and added weight to the new tire that I had mounted. I couldn't believe how much I took off, although it did look scary in the beginning. I thought I'm gonna need a new tire. It was fine. Got rid of the extra weight that was on the wheel, which is a good thing. And then I did the balance myself, and it fixed everything, man. You know, out of round. So if you have an out of round tire, you're not gonna get far with doing pretty much everything I've done. I don't, you know, it will improve here and there. It'll be a hit and miss. I tried airing down, airing up, and it like I said, it was very intermittent. It almost seemed like it disappeared, and then all of a sudden it comes back. You know, I wish I found out way sooner. And I don't want to fault the Commander 3s or Michelin. So, you know, got to be fair. I think it was a person that mounted them. It wasn't seated properly, man. But anyways, after all this, you know, riding with it, it was quite fatiguing, to be honest. I'm glad I found the real issue, and I hope you'll find it useful. Good luck, and yeah, man, ride smooth, man. You don't need none of that wobble. All right, later, man. Good night.